Ridhan, unmute your device. Afrin, Mubasit, Shruti, Adrija, Monojit, Saurav, everyone. Yes. Hoshita, Samiha, Shobodip, Sajid, Adrija, Mubasit, Sayaf Malik, Zishan, swing. Okay. Very good, very good. Okay, Mahir, sit properly. Monojit Mitra, I know you are having network problem. Oishani Adrija, come closer to camera. Come closer to camera. You are far away from the camera. Come closer. Come closer. Come closer. Okay, where is your book? Take out your English literature book and open the chapter. Swing. Open the poem. Today we will do the exercise. Okay. First you can solve the exercise in your book, but by your own. You have to do. Anybody can help you. Okay. After the class, you will write down all the answer in your CW copy. Okay. And Oishani Odrija, don't play. Sit properly. Shourish Bej, switch on your camera. Okay, now I am going to share my screen so that you can do the exercise properly. Okay, see, all of you are ready. Kaf, Malik, Samiha, don't play. Ankit, okay. Let me check. Ayushman, take out your book. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Take out your book. Today we will do the exercise of chapter 3 from English literature book. Chapter 2. We will do the exercise of chapter 2, page 21. Page 21. Okay, page 21. Take a pencil and do with me. I'm going to share the screen. Do with me. Okay. Now see. Yeah, this is your book. This is your book. Okay. See. What is written over there? Complete the lines from the poem. Choose the correct option. Also look at my screen. And also look at your book and do it with me. Do the exercise, solve the exercise with me. Complete the line from the poem. Choose the correct option. Okay, up I go to meet the dash, sun, moon and star. Shruti, tell me. Up I go to meet the sun, moon, star. Which is the correct answer? Tell me.
Up I go to meet the sun.
So, which is the correct answer? Sun. Very good. So, sun is our answer. One second. Let me take.
I can see as I
Okay. One second. Do it with me. Up I go to meet the sun. So our answer will be sun. Sun is our answer. Okay. Very good. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Now
I can see as I go high.
one second. One second. Let me go to the next page. You can mute your device. Okay. You can mute your device. Let me zoom my screen. Okay. I think this is clear. Okay. Who want to say? Next. Those who are left yesterday, those who are left to ask yesterday, they will get chance first. Okay. Poshita say, I can see as I go. I can see as I go. I can see as I go. Say, unmute first, unmute your device. I can see as I go. Poshita, unmute your device and say, sky, high or down? Okay, Mubasi, tell me.
I can see as I go high.
Very good. Very good. As I go
The
high.
sun is gone away.
Okay, tell me anyone. Tell me anyone. Okay. So I can see as I go high. High is the correct answer. Next, the sun is gone. Who want to say? Ridhan say. Ridhan, tell me the answer.
High.
Ridhan, come closer to camera. Your voice is not coming to me. The sun is gone. Red away down.
Away. Away.
The sun is gone away. This is away. Okay.
Away.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Also do this in your book. Ayushman say. Ayushman. Ayushman
Yes, ma'am.
say. Question number 4. Gone to make a bright new day, way or night? Gone to make a new day. Very good. Very good. Day. So day is the correct answer. Okay. Okay. Now question number B. Answer the question. What color is the sky? What color is the sky? Okay. You will get all these question answer by app. Through app you will get all these question answer. Okay. Through app. But now we will do the vocabulary. Exercise B, all the question answer you will get through through school app, but now we will do the vocabulary. So do the vocabulary now. Okay, do this vocabulary with me. Do this vocabulary with me. Okay. Vocabulary. Question number A. Listen to your teacher and read out this word. Repeat them. Read out the word and repeat them. Listen to your teacher and read out this word. Repeat them. So read out this word. All of you unmute your device. First unmute your device. Jishan, unmute your device.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you can. Shomodeep. Yes, you can. Okay. Ankit, I unmute. Okay. Shubhro, unmute. Unmute your microphone. Shruti, unmute your microphone.
Sun.
Next,
Boy, John.
Mubasir, unmute your. Wait, Shubhro, wait. Shubhro, wait for few minutes. Wait for few minutes. Did I say start? Wait for few minutes. We will do it all together, okay? Wait for few minutes. Samia, unmute. Samia, unmute. Okay. Shauresh, unmute. But don't shout. Okay. Next. Shauresh, unmute your device. Okay. Don't shout. Shubhro, unmute. Keep your microphone in unmute position but don't talk. Okay? Mohpoli, unmute. Okay. Baban, unmute your device. Okay, but don't shout. Shruti. Yes, you can. Okay, now read with me. Boy, joy, toy. They gave hay. Bed, red, lid. Bed, lid, lid. Okay, Bedesrita unmute. Devarpan unmute. Audrey unmute. Afrin, unmute your device. Okay, now read this with me. Read this with me. Audrita, unmute your device. Samarika, unmute your device. Ognidipta.
Slow.
4. Low, flow, slow. Fly, sky, high. Sun, sun. Okay, Sanchari Sriyan, unmute your device. They are talking too much. Riddhiva Jewel, unmute your device. Cap Malik, unmute your device. Riddhima, unmute your device. Shubham, Ashif, unmute your device. Don't shout. Okay, very good. Monojit, unmute your device. Sufian, Oishani Adrija. Okay, now do this. Okay, now silent. Okay. Find one rhyming word. Okay. Find one rhyming word from the poem. For each of these words, write down the word inside the circle. Away. Find one rhyming word from the poem. For each of these words, do this. Away. What will be the answer? Away. What will be the answer? Away. Find out one word from the poem. Away. Take out one word. Monisha, unmute your device. Away. Take out one word. We are doing exercise B. We are doing this exercise. Now we are doing this exercise. This is exercise B. We are doing exercise B. Okay. Exercise B now we are doing. So take out one word from the exercise. Take out one word from any word. Tell me. Away. Which one will match with away? Who can say? Tell me. Who can say away? Which one will match with away? Tell me one rhyming one. What happened? Why all of you are silent? Away. Tell me one word. or we? Say. Who know the answer? Rhyming word. This is a rhyming word. Oishani Otrija, where are you? Tell me one rhyming word that will match with away. Who know the answer? Say day, away and day. So answer will be day. D-A-Y. D-A-Y. Okay, answer will be day. Write it down in your copy. Day, away, day. Now down. Now down. Now down. Do this. Down. Who can say? Who can say? Match. Town. Very good. T-O-W-N. Town. Very, very good. Yes. Town. Very good. Town. Next. Next. Low. Low. L-O-W. Low. 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 Slow. Very, very slow. Slow. Very good. Very good. Slow. Then what are you doing? Okay. Okay. Very, very good. Okay. Next. Next. What we will do? Next. Go to next page. Go to next page. Go to next page. What you can see? Hey, don't speak in Bengali, okay? Okay. Look at this picture. Look at and don't talk. Don't talk. Okay. Look at these pictures and read the words in blue. Look at this picture and read the words in blue. High, low, fast, slow. High, low, fast, slow. Okay. See, these are called opposites word. So now you have to match these all opposite word. You have to do this. Do.
Close.
Big. Match the word. Big. Big will be matched with
Small. Big small. Big small.
once again.
Close open.
Okay. Small.
Hard.
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 Close. Close. Close.
Right.
Close. Open.
Close open.
Cold. Cold.
Close open.
Don't shout. Don't shout. Don't shout. Why are you shouting? Tell me politely. Keep in mind you are replying to a teacher. So don't shout. Give the answer politely. Tell me only one time. Ma'am, the answer is hot. Opposite of cold is hot. Yes. Day. D-A-Y. Day. The opposite of day is night. Night. Okay. And left. Left.
Left, right.
Left. Right.
Right.
Left, right. Okay, let me do it. Let me do it. Left, right. Understood? Are you enjoying to do this? Are you enjoying? Why you got muted? I told you to keep unmute your device. Don't mute your device. No need to mute yourself. Vedasrita, unmute your device. Unmute your device. Samaita, unmute your device. Sanchari Srihan, unmute your device. Mahir, no need to mute your device. Unmute your device. Mahir, Toshita, unmute your device. Ridhan, unmute your device. Okay, we have completed this. Okay, now we will do next. Okay, let me see. Listen to you. Okay, now we will do the next thing. Okay, next. Why? Who is talking? Who is talking? Don't talk. Don't talk. Okay, now we will do this. Can you see my screen? Can you see my screen properly?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Okay, now we will do this. Is it clear? Okay. Now, okay, listen. Exercise A. Listen to your teacher. No need to do this because this is the recitation of the poem. So we will do exercise B. We will do exercise B. This is. Here is a picture of some children. Audrija, look at the. Audrija, sit properly first of all. Okay, just look at the picture and also look at your book. Look at your own book, literature book. Here is a picture. Ridhan, to whom are you talking? How many times I need to call all of you? Be attentive. Here is a picture of some children playing in the park. Fill in the blanks with the correct word from the box. Tell me the answer. This time, I'll not tell you the answer. Tell me the answer. Tell me the answer. Tell me the answer. The slide is. Tell me the answer. The slide is hand orange seesaw slide. The slide is orange. Very good.
अच्छे तो
Very good. Next.
और नहीं पता
Tell me.
कुछ
Tell me.
नहीं पता
One second. Slide is orange.
The slide is pastel color.
Okay. Next. Next one. Tell me. Read out this and tell me. Two boys are near the. Two boys are. Look at the picture. Two boys are near the. Where is two boys? Two boys are near the. Here are two boys. Two boys are near the. Who can tell me the answer? Who can tell me?
यार की ऑप्शन
Who can say? Bedusrita, tell me. Bedusrita, why you are muting your device continuously? Unmute your device and give me the answer. Audrija, unmute your device. Tell me. Two boys are near the. What will be answer? Slide. Two boys are near the slide. See? Two boys are near the slide. Yes, slide. Don't mute your device. Okay? Next. Next. A boy and a girl. Parents are requested, don't talk. Your voice are coming. Okay? Next. Student, speak loudly. Next. A boy and a girl are playing on the. A boy and a girl are playing on the seesaw. Seesaw, yes. Seesaw. Seesaw. Okay? Next.
slide
Next. Write down the next answer. The girl is on the. The girl is on the. The girl is on the swing. The girl is on the swing. Is wearing a pink. Wearing a pink blouse. Though it is not blouse, it is a top. So the option is blouse. So we will write blouse. Okay. Okay. Next. Next, do this. The girl is waving a dash as she is going down the slide. Hand. Very good. Very good. Yes. Hand. Okay. Understood. Understood.
Yes, ma'am.
All okay. All of you are doing. Do Aishwan do. He do this. Okay. Do this. Okay. Okay. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay. Now let me check. Let me check your book. Let me check your book. Okay. Those who have completed, show me your book. Those who have completed, show me your book. Those who have completed, show me your book. Very good. Very good, everyone. You will get the question answer, all answer, question answer, exercise question answer you will get. Ankit, okay, Ankit. Very good. Let me take the attendance. Very good, Cap. Very good. Very good.